Are you obsessed with cats and in love with crochet? Well, this roundup is going to be for you. And also, if you have a friend that is a cat lover and you want to make something for them or their feline friend, then these patterns would be perfect to make as a gift as well. There are a mix of free and paid patterns in this roundup, and I've separated them all into 4 different categories: clothing, accessories, granny squares, and home decor. And as always, you can find all the exact links to all of the patterns I'm sharing here with you over on my blog post, which is linked in the description box below. All right, let's get started. First is the cat sweater by Alaska Crochet Co. It has sizes extra small to 5XL, and this pattern is inspired by Sandra Miller Maxfield's Blanket Cat Afghan pattern, which was published in 1997. It's more advanced beginner level to make, and it does require a bit of color work to make it. And this one is a paid pattern over on their online shop. Or make this Catigan by Neil Crochet. This one has only one size, which is small medium, but you can easily adjust it by repeating the motif. They have a color changing graph to help with the color work for this one, so it's a bit more intermediate level because you need to be used to working with graphs. This one is also a paid pattern over on their shop, and the main special stitch is the knit stitch and slip stitch into the back loop only. And I just really loved how eclectic this one is and all the little cat eyes on this design. I also like this Catitude top by Outstanding Crochet. This one is more advanced or adventurous intermediate. The main technique used is the mosaic crochet with slanted stitches and a combination of single crochet in the back loop and double crochet in the front loop. It has sizes extra small to 2XL. There are also some color work for this one, so you should also be comfortable with working from a chart. And this one is a paid pattern over on their shop. All right, now I'll share some accessories patterns. First is this cat keychain by Kathy Leung. This one is so whimsical with that black cat perched on a yellow crescent moon and a star overhead. This one is more beginner friendly to make and is a paid pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. I also like this cat beanie by Viv Crochet. This one is beginner friendly as it only requires basic stitches and has a classic style to it with the ribbing. You can also whip this up in 1 or 2 craft sessions, and this one is a free pattern over on their blog. And there's also a video tutorial to go along with it on their YouTube channel. This flower lily cat hat by Vera Quinn is also adorable. The pattern was inspired by Cute Cat Rock on TikTok and Tortocrafts on Instagram, and is beginner friendly, and the only special stitch is the modified crocodile stitch, which they explain how to do. You could also easily whip this up in 1 session. You just make 6 petals in the ear holes with the leaves and stem, then the chin straps, and this one is a free pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. Another one is this cat collar by Katya Novikova. This one is crocheted from the bottom up with applique added after the body part is complete, and the ball buttons are crocheted and stuffed with yarn or fabric, which is great to make use of any scraps you might have lying around. And this one is a paid pattern over on the Lovecrafts website, and the pattern is more intermediate level, but does include a lot of row by row instructions, a chart, and photos to help with making it. Or make this crochet cat scarf. This one has the same motif as the first pattern that I shared and is more intermediate, or great as a confident beginner, as it does require color work and being comfortable with color changes and working from a chart. The pattern includes links to useful video tutorials as well, and this one is a paid pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. I also like this Jack Cat bag by Knit Gang. This one measures 32 by 31 centimeters, and I really liked how minimal this design is. It's also beginner friendly and worked from the bottom up in rounds, and the first round is worked with slip stitch joins, and then it continues with a spiral, which I love because it creates a nice seamless join. And this one is a free pattern over on the hobby website. Or make this cat bookmark by Shy Spider Crochet. This one is beginner friendly and creates a bookmark that's 21 centimeters, but you can easily adjust the length as you like by working more or less rows. This one is free over on the Ribbler, and I liked how the cat looks like it's doing a little stretch and thought this one was a really cute pattern. Well, now let's move on to some granny square patterns. First is the Cute Cat Square by Divine Debris. This one is more intermediate level as you do need to know how to read a graph in order to do the color work. The finished and block squares measure 4.5 by 4.5 inches, and this one is free over on their blog. Of course, you could adjust the size by working it with lighter or heavier weight yarn. And this one includes 2 different cat square grid chart motifs, which is nice. You could also make this fantastic cat square by Steps. It measures 8.5 by 8.5 centimeters when made with DK weight yarn and is more intermediate level to make. There is a link to a YouTube video tutorial showing how to change color with no starting chains and no slip stitch and seamless starting chains. And it's a free pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. And it's also really helpful to have that nice diagram if you prefer working from them. There's also this cat silhouette tapestry by Earth Hand and Fiber. It's more beginner friendly and the finished square measures 8 by 8.5 inches. This pattern has a lot of reference photos as well as pattern graph and color blocking instructions. And it's a free pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. Or make this black cat square by Rafamusa Designs. It was part of their Halloween Granny Square series, so you should definitely check that out as well if you're a fan of Halloween. This one is so cutesy and is beginner friendly as well, and this one is a paid pattern over in the Lovecrafts website as well. And if you want some ideas on different patterns to make with these granny squares, definitely check out my granny square pattern roundup, and I'll put that in the card above. All right, now I'll share some home decor patterns. First is this cat coaster by Hannah Crochet. This one's beginner friendly and would be quite easy to whip up a whole set in one crafting session. This one is worked in the round and is a YouTube video tutorial pattern, and it uses only basic stitches to make it, which is nice. Or make this black cat garland by Love and Stitch Co. This one is beginner friendly and would be quite quick and easy to whip up, and is also free over on the Lovecrafts website. To create it, they created 6 of the cat motifs and connected them all together with a long chain of stitches, but of course you can adjust this to make it longer or shorter by making more or less cat motifs. I liked how this could be used for hanging decor, table decor, coasters, or you could even use it to display on gifts as toppers as well. This Mondrian cat blanket by Knits Magic is also a nice make. This one is a paid pattern on Lovecraft's website, and there are 2 size options. With the sport weight yarn, it measures 52 by 62 inches, and with worsted weight, it's 59 by 71 inches. This pattern is more intermediate as you do need to be comfortable with following a chart and know the basics of the corner to corner technique and be comfortable with color changes. And I love the colors they chose for this. And if you definitely like this style, you should check out my Bauhaus crochet roundup, which I did recently, and I'll also put that in the card above. I also like this Fairy Tale Cat Cave by Sarah Taylor. It measures 16.5 by 17 inches, and you can give your little feline friend a nice place to chill with this one. It's more intermediate level to make, and I liked all the little butterflies and flowers that they added to this one, and it's a paid pattern over on the Lovecrafts website. This cat neck pillow by Yarn Inspirations is also a cozy one. It measures 34 by 8 inches wide, so it'd be perfect to create and wear around the house or while traveling. It's rated easy to create, and I would say it's more confident beginner because it does require a bit of assembling, and the only special stitches it uses is a bit of decreasing. And this one is a free pattern over on their website. Well, what did you think of all these cat crochet patterns? Let me know in the comments below. And also make sure to leave me a cat emoji down there so I can know that you made it all the way to the end. And thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.